Yo, I like to be very creative with food. I like to be artistic as well. This is corn, fresh corn. It was frozen though, but I defrosted it. And that is a big blob of butter I put in it. And I'm putting in some black pepper. You can choose to put in salt if you like. I didn't add salt because the salt in the butter is enough for me. I'm just sizzling. Is it sizzling? I'm stir frying. Is it stir frying? Yeah, I stir fried it nicely. It was nice. And now is the turn of garden peas, green garden peas. The same. I'm putting butter in it. And I'm putting some pepper, black pepper, of course. I like the taste of black pepper in this. And now I am putting in, look at this. It says riced cauliflower. I saw it and I want to try it to see what it is actually. It is actually 100% cauliflower. You can do this on your own. Just get some cauliflower, grate it into this. They want us to have this as rice. Yeah, those who don't want to have rice as carbohydrate, you can have this. But I can do my own. I've done my own after this. Just grate some cauliflower. It's really nice though. So this is rice cauliflower. This is rice cauliflower. It's cauliflower, but it's made into rice. It looks like rice. Yeah. Put butter and black pepper, and they are all done. Look how colorful. My children call this pecans. It's a pecan, or is it corn peas? How do you call it? Corn pea? Yeah. And of course, we are having this with dokubai. You know dokubai? Dokubi. This is turkey tail. And I've made my own mixed spices, Asian spices, and the other is African spices. I will list in the comment box down below the type of spices I used. If you know African spices, you know it's like pepper, cho, all those things, calabash, whatever. I'll list them for you. And I seasoned my turkey tail. I laid lots of onions and garlic under the pan, under the meat, before I put them. In the pan before I laid the meat on it. And I grilled it. Look at some extra garlic over there. I'm going to squeeze it per share inside. Yeah, I turn it over, sprinkled a little bit of the spices again, and put in I like crunch onion, last minute crunchy onions. So I just leave it on it like that. I season the onions though. I just don't put raw onion on my food. I season it nicely. Season them nicely. And put them back for I think 1 or 2 minutes again. For them to not be too soft but still very crunchy. I like the crunch. Look at this much oil we got from turkey tail. You know turkey tail, when you grill it, the oil squeeze out more. Well, when you fry it too, the oils come out more, but you don't see it. But this one, look how much oil. And this oil, scientifically, oils don't sleep in room temperatures. And this oil, this turkey tail oil, is not fat, it's oil. Even the next day, it was still in a solid liquid form. Look at our food. Oh. Look how colorful this is. So colorful. And the garlic and onion at the bottom of the meat all have really softened well and has become like some nice sweet gravy. It mixed with the season and it's so nice. And I'm mixing them with the semi-fresh onions. Serve your meat and eat. How will you call this? My children say it's called corn peas. Is it corn peas or pecans? They call it pecans. Pecans. And the cauliflower was so nice. All of them tasted so nice. I was just passing by, eating them. Oh, yes, this is what I do with the garlic. Just squeeze them out. It was so hot, hot, hot. Squeeze it out nicely. And this pork, this thing is not mayonnaise, and I can't describe it. It tastes cheesy, it tastes mayonnaise, it tastes oniony, it tastes garlicky, it tastes everything. Oh, it's so nice with meat. It is nice with salads. It is nice as dip. It is nice as spread on bread. Anything. Oh, it's so lovely. And this was